So, dear students, today we consider problem number 3, exercise 4.4, class 10, NCERT book. Now, problem number 3 given, is it possible to design a rectangular mango grove whose length is twice its breadth and the area is 800 meter square? If so, find its length and breadth. First, we don't know whether it is possible or not. First, we consider length and breadth. Here, breadth is given, length not given. Here, length given, breadth not given. So, whose length is twice its breadth. Length given, breadth not given. So, we consider first breadth. Solution: let the breadth be x or x meter. Therefore, length equal to twice x. Length is twice its breadth. Since area equal to given 800 meter square. Area means we know length into breadth in case of rectangle. Length we get twice x and breadth we get x. This is 800. This one 2x square equal to 800. X square equal to 800 by 2, x square equal to 400, x equal to plus minus root over 400 and x equal to plus minus root over 20 square means 400. This implies x equal to plus minus 20. Now we want to find length. Length cannot be negative. So we get x equal to 20, x equal to minus 20. This is not possible because length cannot be negative. So we get x equal to 20. Then x 20 means length is twice x, 2 into 20. This will be 40. So we get the required. First, our comment we have to give: is it possible to design a rectangular mango grove? Yes, we get length is real number we get. So yes, hence it is possible. Hence, it is possible to design a rectangular mango grove whose length and breadth are 40 meter and 20 meter respectively. Hence, it is possible to design a rectangular mango grove whose length and breadth are 40 meter and 20 meter, and this is our answer. Now we consider problem number 4. Is the following situation possible? If so, determine their present ages. The sum of the ages of two friends is 20 years. 4 years ago, the product of their ages in years was 48. So, one condition given whether it is possible or not, just you have to examine. So, solution is that let their ages, let their present ages be x years and 20 minus x years. So, their sum is 20. If one is x, other will be 20 minus x. So, let the present ages be x years and 20 minus x years. 4 years ago, 4 years ago, their ages was x minus 4 years, 20 minus x minus 4 equal to 16 minus x years. 4 years ago, their ages was x minus 4 and this 16 minus x, their ages this. But according to the question, 4 years ago, the product of their ages in 48. According to the question, x minus 4 into 16 minus x, this equal to 48. Product of their ages is 48. Now multiplying this, 16x minus x square minus 64 plus 4x equal to 48. This will be minus x square plus 20x minus 64 minus 48 equal to 0. So, minus x square plus 20x minus, this is 2, this is 11, and multiplying both side by minus sign, x square multiplying by minus 1, you get this twice x plus 112 equal to 0. So, this is our equation. We consider this is number 1. Now, if we comparing with this equation, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. If we comparing with this, here we get a equal to 1, this is 1, b equal to minus 20 and c equal to 112. This one we get. Now discriminant, what we get the discriminant? B square minus 4ac. So b means minus 20, 4a means 1, c means 112. This is 400 minus 448 and this will be minus 48. This is negative. This one negative means it has no real roots. The roots are imaginary, complex number we get. So it has no real roots. So what we get? Hence the quadratic equation hence the quadratic equation 1 has no real roots. So the given situation, so the given situation is not possible. Which is not possible? Because the result is imaginary, not real. So this given situation is not possible. Hence the quadratic equation 1 has no real roots, so the given situation is not possible, and this is our answer. So very easy problem. So we consider problem number 5. Is it possible to design a rectangular park of perimeter 80 meter and area 400 meter square? Is it possible? If so, find its length and breadth. But we don't know whether it is possible or not. We don't know the actual measurement. What is the length and breadth? The measurement of length and breadth, but we don't know. So we assume, and after calculation we can conclude whether it is possible or not. Rectangular, if so, find its length and breadth. Is it possible to design a rectangular park of perimeter 80 meter, area this? Let the breadth of the rectangular park be x meter. Let the breadth of the rectangular park be x meter. Since perimeter equal to given 80 meter. So we know perimeter means 2 into length plus breadth. 2 into length in length plus breadth, this is called perimeter. And length we don't know, we have to find length initially, and breadth we consider x, and this is 80 by 2 dividing this side 80 by 2. So length equal to length plus x equal to 40, and length equal to 40 minus x. Therefore we get length is 40 minus x and breadth we consider x, but area given 400. Since area equal to 400 meter square, so this is 40 minus x meter. Area means area of rectangle means length into breadth equal to 400. Length we get 40 minus x, and breadth we know x, initially consider breadth is x. So this is 40x minus x square equal to 400. All of this taking right hand side, x square minus 40x plus 400 equal to 0. Now if we comparing with this, since ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, we consider this is number 1, this is number 2. Comparing 1 and 2, we get a is 1, coefficient of x square a, here coefficient of x square is 1, a equal to 1, b equal to minus 40, and c equal to 400. This is a equal to 1, b equal to this, and c equal to 400. Now we want to check the nature of the equation. Now b square minus 4ac discriminant, b square minus 4ac, b means minus 40 4a means 1, c means 400. This is minus cancel, this is whole square. 1600, this is 1600, that means answer 0. b square minus 4ac 0 means the roots are equal. Since b square minus 4ac equal to 0, therefore the roots of the equation 1 are equal. Roots of the equation 1 are equal. Now we want to find the equal roots. Since x equal to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac by twice a, and putting the values, 2a means 1, b means minus 40, plus minus this is 0, we get this. So x equal to we get 40 plus minus 0 by 2. So this is x equal to 40 plus 0 by 2, x equal to 40 minus 0 by 2, and x equal to this is 20, x equal to this is 20. So the roots are equal. Since the quadratic equation 1 has equal roots and since the quadratic equation 1 has equal roots and it is possible, since the quadratic equation 1 has equal roots, and it is possible to design a rectangular park. It is possible to design a rectangular park and find its length and breadth. Therefore, the required length is, so we consider length, we know this is 40 minus x, length is 40 minus x, so this is 40 minus 20, this is 20, length equal to 20 meter and breadth equal to 20 meter. Length breadths are equal. This is not rectangular, this is square field, square park. So the required length equal to 20 meter and breadth equal to 20 meter. These two are answer. So dear students, very nice problem, very easy. So if you are feeling easy, then please subscribe my channel, like this video and click the bell icon. Thank you.